Welcome to Kuya Caleb's Philippine Cuisine. Magandang gabi. Tonight we will gawa homemade ube ice cream. Very simple, only 3 ingredients. We have our sweetened condensed milk or sticky milk, our ube flavoring, and some heavy whipping cream. So let's get started. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to take our sweetened condensed milk and our flavoring and we're going to put it in one bowl here. And our ube flavoring. Mix this together. Oh, it smells so good.
Let me smell it. Oh man!
Never doubt Kuya Caleb. Okay, now that we got that mixed, let's move over here to our heavy whipping cream. We'll pour that into a separate bowl. Now we're going to beat the cream, or whip the cream. Okay, so we just beat it until it's real thick, just like that. I-mix mo hanggang maging thick. Now we'll add then just fold it into the sticky milk and ube flavor.
What do you think? Look at here. Look at me. How delicious is it?
Very.
You didn't even have anything on your face.
So we'll get it mixed up. Remember, you just fold it in. You just want to stir it until there's no lumps. Sarap. Very sweet. I-freeze hanggang umaga. Okay, now we just wait it out and we'll see you guys in the morning. Magandang umaga. Today we check on our ube ice cream. Cuts super smooth. Now let's Sarap. It is not too sweet. It's like the perfect sweetness ube flavor ratio. Perfect. So success. Very simple, 3 ingredient ube ice cream. So as if ube ice cream wasn't enough, we have Ube Smoothie. What baby wants, baby gets.